If you know anything about Agents Afield, then you know we like to grow organically. All our beds are peat free, there's no chemicals, and we like to work with nature, not against it. In fact, when I designed the kitchen garden, I put in an area called Bug Metropolis. And in there I've got a bug motel and plants that will help pollinators such as your butterflies, bees, hoverflies and moths. And then in front of that, running all the way down here to my raspberries, is a strip of plants I put in every season of nasturtiums. And I regard them as a sacrifice crop. And the idea being behind that is that they will attract the pests, such as a cabbage white butterfly, and they're allowed to lay their eggs, let the larvae hatch, the caterpillars form, and they will eat and decimate this crop. And that's great, that's what I want, because when they're doing that, they're not touching my brassicas, and it's working. So today, I'm going to plant out my winter veg, and that's my brassicas, and I'm hoping once they're netted, they will remain pest free. Fingers crossed.